Let us calculate the stock turnover ratio. So keep heading calculation of stock turnover ratio. Here I have shown you as calculation of STR. STR is nothing but the stock turnover ratio. So what is the formula to calculate stock turnover ratio? You have already done this now in the previous class. Cost of goods sold divided by average inventory. Okay, did you remember that? So already we have calculated here cost of goods sold, 6 lakhs we got, and we need to find out what is the average inventory. Let us go to the slide, problem slide. Average inventory means opening and closing stock is given here. Opening stock is given 1,52,500 and plus closing stock is given 1,97,000. You add both this. So that will give you the and divide it with 2. That will give you the average stock. Okay. So that you have to show there. So now let us take this cost of goods sold already calculated here 6 lakhs we got now. While calculating gross profit, I have taken here directly 6 lakhs. I am not calculating again for this. And the average stock is equal to 1,52,500 plus 1,97,000. So this is the closing stock and this is the opening stock. Divide it with 2. So first sum up these two values, 152,500 plus 1,97,000 and then divide it with 2. So 3,49,500 divided by 2 will give you 1,74,750. So this is the average stock. So that you can show here. You can show 2 steps. After adding this total 3 lakh some value we got now divided by 2 like that you show here and then take this rupees 1,74,750. So rupees is missing everywhere, you add that rupees. So substitute these values here in the stock turnover ratio. So that is cost of goods sold we got 6 lakhs divided by 1,74,750 we got. So this is not or, this is divided by 6 lakhs divided by 1,74,750. To save the space here, to show in one slide I have taken like this, but don't take like this in the exam. So that will give you 3.43 times. So let us calculate this 6 lakhs. We got that or not? Let us check. 6 lakhs divided by 1,74,750. So that will give you, see here, 3.4334. Like that we got. So I have taken only 2 digits. You also take 2 digits only. Okay. 3.43 times you write there. Okay. So this is what it is on stock turnover ratio. So you can also apply the stock holding period. Here I am not applying, but you apply the stock holding period. So how you are going to get stock holding period is equal to 365 days divided by STR. So that is equal to 365 by 3.43. You calculate how much you will get the stock turnover ratio. What is this? Did I close this calci? Okay. I closed the calci. Okay. So you take like that and you do that. You will get the some result you will be getting now that you take here. Calci was closed. I thought of showing that on calci, but it is closed. By mistake, I have closed that. Okay, so that is what it is on stock turnover ratio, how to calculate stock turnover ratio.